We're reviewing a Gangan 1000 watt, 100,000 lumens, 7,000 Kelvin, a dusk to dawn street lamp for the pole and garden use. Anywhere that you want to put a solar LED light. We're going to demonstrate and show you in the backyard how this thing looks. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what's inside the box. Nicely packed it is, very well protected. We start off with a user's manual that will go over the remote control and how to use this unit. To test the unit out, cover the solar array that is on the opposite side that will collect the sun all day long and run the unit all night long. Press the button to turn the light on. It is very bright. What we're going to do is show you the remote control that comes with the unit. On the remote control, you got a number of buttons that will operate your light. We have it on and off at 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the wireless PIR sensor control. We have a timer of 2, 5, 6, and 8 hours and more, 3 hours. We get all the hardware for the pole. We get hardware for masonite. We get the hardware to put onto the pole and supported bracket. We have an included AAA batteries that will go into remote that will turn the unit on and off 28 feet away from the unit. This unit will throw X amount of feet and light up the area. 3,800 square feet this will light up, and you can hang it 10 to 20 feet up in the air. We're given a supply tool that we're going to take out. Set up your bracket, find a spot, hang up on the pole with the brackets, nuts, bolts, and washers in the base bracket, and turn on the unit after it gets a full day or two of direct sun. We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what this looks like lit up. The 1000 watt solar street light. We're going to turn it on. It is very bright indeed. It will dim down to 30%. When it detects motion, will light up. We're going to go down to 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. We're going to just hit one of the timers. That tells you it's on a timer. And then when we hit the center button for the PIR motion, 30 seconds or so, it would dim down. As the light dim down, and when you move and it detects motion, it lights up. If you don't want the PIR, you hit the button once again and it won't dim down. If you want to shut it off, you can shut it off, and the next night it'll come on dusk to dawn. I hope you enjoy your solar street light. If you're looking to brighten up a lot, backyard, driveway, front, wherever, these street lights don't need electricity, just the solar rays to run hours on end. All-time weather, IP65 rated, extreme heat to the extreme cold. Enjoy your street light if this is right for you.